Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm going to talk about chapter 3 and its name is the biosphere and what goes on inside it. So first we'll learn what is ecology, then who are the producers and consumers and how they emit energy and how it flows in the ecosystem. And last but not least, we will talk about the cycles of matter. To understand what is ecology, first we need to know what is biosphere. Biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all parts of Earth in which life exists, including land, water, and the atmosphere. As we said before, in the biosphere is located life, also called biotic factors. But what about the non-living things? Well, they are also located in the biosphere, but are classified as abiotic factors. Some examples of biotic factors are the flora and the fauna. And some examples of abiotic factors are the temperature, the rocks, and the soil. Now that we clear all up, we can talk about ecology. For some people, ecology may mean the study of how to take care of Earth. Well, it is not the exact definition. The exact definition of ecology is the scientific study of interaction among organisms and their physical environment. So now that we cleared that up, we can continue talking about the producers and the consumers, which are only biotic factors. First, we will talk about the primary producers, such as different types of plants, are called autotrophs, because they can get energy from sunlight or chemicals and convert it into forms that living cells can use. Then, on the other hand, we have the consumers, that also receive the name of heterotrophs. Consumers are the ones that rely on other organisms for energy and nutrients. Now we will talk about how energy flows in ecosystems. So let me introduce you the food chain and the food web. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. Food chains can be very long or very short. Food web is way more complicated, because in some ecosystems, feeding relationships are more complex than the relationships described in a single simple chain. So, a food web can be defined as the interaction between carnivore-herbivore, carnivore-carnivore. And, thanks to these two processes, we have trophic levels and ecological pyramids. Step in a food chain or food web is called trophic level, and one way to illustrate them in an ecosystem is with ecological pyramids that show the relative amount of energy or matter contained within each trophic level in a given food chain or food web. Finally, we will discuss the cycles of matter. Unlike the one-way flow of energy, matter is recycled within and between the ecosystems.